welcome back to another video. This is gonna be my duplex house tour, so you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video. And yeah, and also I had cut myself cleaning yesterday. I was cleaning the oven and I cut my hand, so this is why I have band-aids on my hand. But yeah, let's get to the video. I'm excited to show you guys, you know, the place. This is a really old home. This home is 100 years old, and I know that's old, and this house kind of gives me like an antique vibe, and I don't mind that at all. Like, I really like the vintage antique vibe, and just the fact this house has been here since 1920 like just makes it that much more valuable to me. So I'm proud to call this my first home. I'm excited to bring you guys along with me on this journey and show you guys like how I decorate, what I plan on doing, and just keeping you guys updated on my life. So let's get to the video. Now I'm gonna be going upstairs. And the stairs, like everything in here is wood, and I really like that everything is wood in here. This is a wall space area that I'm probably gonna leave blank, honestly. I might put a picture up on this wall just because I feel like it needs something there. And this is actually my favorite part of the house because this is a really old house piece. This was used back in the day when they had house phones, and that's the plug. This is the plug that, you know, they would plug their house phone in, and it would sit up here with the phone book. So I actually really want to play on this for this place. I'm ordering an older phone to put right here, and it's going to be pink and vintage, and then I'm going to custom make a phone book to put it in here with all of like my family members' phone numbers. And then I'm going to get like an antique chair to go here. So this would be like an area where I can talk on the phone, like an old school phone booth area. And yeah, I just want it to be like a vintage vibe right here. This is my bedroom. This is the door. And the handles, like I said, everything is pretty older. This is an older home, so the knobs look like this. It doesn't have a lock on the door. And I said this is a semi-house tour because I do have a few furniture pieces in here, but that is my dresser that I have to put together. And then this is my room. So over here, it's a very spacious area. The ceilings are pretty high. That's the ceiling fan. And you can really tell that this is an older home because of the wooden boards. Like, they're thick and they're wood. And that is a really huge statement in the older homes, and also with the baseboards. The windows are really tall, which I love, and I have to get that fixed. I'll probably end up taking the blinds off and just using a curtain. This window actually has a pull down. For this wall, I want to do a pink wallpaper, and I want to do a really big picture to go right there. And then my bed is going to go here, and then I'm going to have my two side tables right there. Right here, I wanted to do this dresser set. I want to do like a taller dresser set right here, and then I want to do like a lower level dresser set right here. Maybe eventually. I'm not really a TV person, but I'm thinking I could put a TV right here like eventually, but not right now. All right, so this is my closet space. It's pretty decent. It's not huge, but I'm grateful for anything. Like, this is my first home, so I'm just grateful for it. This is just enough space for me. Like, I don't need a whole bunch of space. So this is the closet area, and then I'm probably gonna move this dresser right here until I get the dresser that I want. So right here is gonna be a clothing rack instead of this. And then this is my office area. And I'm really excited about this room because this is gonna be like my office slash beauty room slash YouTube room. So this is what it looks like when you walk in here. And it has a whole bunch of windows, which I love. So the lighting is gonna be on point. I don't really wanna do much to the walls in this room, but I do wanna paint over this wall because you can't really tell, but it's like a really like lime green. And I just want it to be plain. And then I plan on decorating this wall. Right now they have like the cords plugged up for the security cameras and the Wi-Fi. I want to decorate this wall and add like a bookshelf right here. I'm gonna use this closet for storage area. And then I probably will get a rug for this floor. And I do like the floors in this space. The floors are wood, which I really love. I do plan on getting a rug in here as well. So I definitely want to keep you guys updated on like the process of this room, how it turns out, because I do plan on decorating this room really cute and just making it mine. After I showed you guys my room tour, I took a break and I went like to go take a shower. So let's get straight to it. This is the living room area. And it's pretty spacious. There's a lot of space in here. So I plan on getting a TV eventually in this area, but that's like the least of my concerns right now. I definitely want to decorate the shelf area. I plan on putting my couch right here, and then putting 2 accent chairs on this side with a rug and a dining table in the middle. And then I want to hang a picture up right here, or maybe a few pictures up right here. And then until I get my TV, I'll probably just put like a big mirror right there until my TV comes. So my color scheme is gonna be very girly and feminine. I think this is like the perfect area to do a mirror right here. So I want like a really long body mirror. And then I wanna get a bench right here with pillows. So this is the living room. And then right next to the living room is the dining room area. I'm gonna turn on the light in here. So this is gonna be a pretty simple room. I'm just gonna have my dining table right here, and then maybe have like some pictures on this wall. And then right behind this wall is another wall that's empty. So I wanna get like a wall table right here, and then put like some decor on the table, and then do like a really big circle mirror with possibly like a plant right there. I don't know yet. We're gonna see how I end up decorating this area. So that is the kitchen area. I'm not done with the kitchen yet, so I will give this tour once it's all cleaned up. But for right now, I'm just doing these 2 areas. I already showed you guys my bedroom. There's already some furniture in there. So this is the guest room. So this has 2 bedrooms in this duplex. This is the guest room. It's pretty spacious. This room is actually bigger than my room. There's a nice little walk-in closet. All right, this is the bathroom. Excuse those cleaning supplies. I'm still cleaning the bathroom, but the bathroom is pretty decent. This is the linen closet. So I can put like stuff in here. This is the bathtub. I'm gonna get like a clear shower curtain, and then eventually like get like a caddy thing for my shampoo and soaps. I don't plan on putting any blinds up on this window, but I do want to get like a storage shelf because there's no storage area aside from this closet in here. And then this is the sink, and this is me. So yeah, this doesn't have any storage area at the bottom. So I really like how the walls are pink. That's really cute, and I'm definitely gonna play on that. And then I thought about putting shelves on top of the toilet. I really like this toilet because it's a push and flush. I think that's nice that they updated the toilet because this is an older home. This bathroom is gonna be really pink and girly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for staying tuned and just following me along on this journey. I'm super excited to show you guys just how I end up decorating and just like what the future holds for me. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the family. Here on this channel, we focus on growing in our hair health and also navigating life after college. So if that is something that you are interested in and that you want to learn more about, or just follow me on this journey, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. All right, queens, I'll see you guys in my next video.